Live in the present is a great advice, but how can we talk about the present tense? In English, the simple present is used to talk about facts, routines, instructions, and things that are in the present. This tense is super useful. Let's find out more in this milestone. One way that we use the simple present is to talk about unchanging facts or things that are always true. For example, Josh is the third child in a big family. He has 10 brothers and sisters. Remember to think of the present simple as your solid, unchanging facts. These statements are not just true for the present, but will be true for a long time. For example, the blue whale is the largest mammal on Earth. Another important use for the simple present is our routines and habits. Let's look at a sentence that shows this. My mom usually walks our dog in the mornings. Did you notice that I use the adverb usually in this sentence? That word gives us more depth into mom's routine and answers the question, how often? We understand it's usually, so maybe about 90% of the time. Definitely, it's the majority of the time. The words that we use to show that something is a habit are called adverbs of frequency. Let's see. Always, usually, express something that happens, or something a person does 80 to 100% of the time. We have often, sometimes, to complement something that happens or something a person does 50 to 70% of the time. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. She sometimes volunteers at the animal shelter on the weekends. And at the bottom of the graph, seldom, rarely, never are used to showcase something that happens or something a person does 0 to 10% of the time. It seldom snows in California because the weather is too hot. Their children hardly ever play outside in the neighborhood. We never see grizzly bears in this part of the forest. Besides these, we also use other adverbs of frequency, such as every day, once, twice, 3 times a week, daily, etc. Timetables also do not change, so we use the simple present when we talk about them. They are unchanging and stable. Think of a timetable or direction as a routine. It is something that will not change. It's a more solid fact. You are stating what happens, and it is not shaky. It's very solid. For instance, this is your schedule. 2 o'clock, meeting with an Elvis impersonator. 7:30, take the bus to modern dance class. I have a meeting with an Elvis impersonator at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I take the 7:30 p.m. bus to my modern dance class. Directions and instructions are a common part of our lives. When you're giving instructions or directions, you are being direct. You are not shaky, you are solid. So we use simple present. Since the directions do not change, the tense should be simple present. A great case of this is when you hear your phone ringing in class. First, you quickly find your phone. Second, you turn it off. Third, you ask the teacher a question so everyone forgets about the phone. Movies, plays, and stories are like unchanging facts. This is why we use present simple to describe or review them, although the story itself is in the past. We cannot change what happens in the movie. It will always be the same. For instance, in the movie Cinderella, a poor but beautiful woman meets a handsome prince. They fall in love and she becomes a princess. That is about the present simple. Make sure you overcome the challenge box and online quiz before moving on to the next milestone. We're moving fast. Let's go.
One, to start the car, you insert the key and turn it clockwise. 2, the Earth moves around the Sun every 365 days. 3,
3. I'm very tired today because I didn't sleep well. 4. My best friend does yoga every morning at a.m. 1. My brother doesn't drink coffee in the evening.
2. First, you pour the flour into a large bowl.
3. That new laptop belongs to the manager.
4. Light travels faster than sound.
1. Then, you press the Enter key to save your file. 2. Antarctica is very cold, and it snows a lot there. 3. We have a lot of homework to do right now. 4. She always goes to the library on Tuesday afternoons. 5. Do tigers live in the jungle or the desert? Excuse me, are you the manager of this store?
No, I'm not. I work here as an assistant. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy this camera. How do I turn it on?
It's easy. You just press this small button on the side.
Oh, I see. This camera takes really beautiful photos.
Yes, it's our best seller. Everyone loves using it for travel.
She goes to bed early. He is not happy with the service. Don't mix the eggs and sugar. At what temperature does water freeze? We don't play football on Sundays.